Look at it!
Nice. Hold it up.
That's so exciting!
Carson, bring the
I grew this!
here. I bet there's more.
Hey friends, tonight's an exciting night. One I've been waiting for years. We're digging our first ever batch of potatoes. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
We got the crates. We're gonna carry crates down to the garden. And what? Put them on our heads.
Let's go. This row right here is red potatoes. And this is yellow potatoes, okay? So we're gonna try to keep them separate. So let's put all the red potatoes in one and all the yellow potatoes in the other one. All right, so we know they're ready because they've died back. There's still a couple that are kind of hanging on green there. I'll probably still just pull them. We'll use those first. But this is a massive amount of potatoes. So let's see what kind of harvest we get. I've had some moles in the garden. I'm hoping they haven't eaten any. I don't think they have, but we'll see what we find. Okay, hold on. No, see, look. This is kind of where it's like hard to see. I want to show you. So do you see right here, Rachel? Wait. No, is this where we already dug? Yeah, we already dug. Okay, okay. So Rachel, look, this is all dyed back right here. So it looks kind of deceiving, but this is a plant in here, okay? So this is where we're gonna start. See, this is all the potatoes that dyed back. We're gonna work together, okay? Oh, do you see that?
Can I cover it, Mom?
Now, just wait, let me get the pitchfork. Is there only one potato in that plant?
There gotta be more somewhere.
There better not just be one. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, but that one's bit too.
It is. Oh yeah, here we go. This is gonna be a good one. I might.
That looks awful tired.
Oh, I see some in there.
There's one right there.
Mommy did it.
Yep, here.
To the left.
Woo-wee!
That's a good one, bud.
That's a good one.
Nice.
I wonder if I didn't loosen up the soil enough. I mean, that's. I feel like.
I
this-
saw something purple.
You did?
Next
I'm just gonna move this out. See? That's what it should be like. Hold on. It should be like when you push the straw back, that there's potatoes like in the straw.
There you go.
There we go. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna get the pitchfork. Whoa,
Yeah.
that one looks like a beauty.
Carson, I can't get it out. It's too deep.
Here,
in the
Carson,
ground.
give me the pitchfork in there.
Okay. And we can loosen it up.
Can you step back, please?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a pretty one. It's a pretty
Put
one.
that way, Rachel.
Put it in there.
Oh. Oh, I see a whole bunch in there. Yeah! See, this is what I'm looking for.
Yay.
Another little one. Okay, okay.
Oh, I see one. Right there, right there, right there.
That's not a little Dutchified. Okay, okay.
That
We're not going far enough over. Look at it!
Nice. Hold it up.
That's so exciting!
Carson, bring the.
I grew this!
There's a lot of worms here.
That's a good sign.
Are you gonna plant something else here?
I'm not sure yet. Probably root crop. I'm not sure. Gotta look it up. Figure out what I want to do here.
Root
That is a
crop.
pretty potato.
Look at this one.
Nice. These are big.
Nice! They are big. I planted like 8 pounds of seed potatoes, and
8 pounds.
I planted 8 pounds of seed potatoes. And they say for every pound potatoes you plant, you're supposed to get like 5 pounds. So
We did not get that.
if that is correct, we should have 40 pounds. But
Womp, womp, womp.
We might- We might have 15 here though. I mean, it's not terrible. I am really happy with the size though. Like, they're not little potatoes. Like, that's a lot of food for us. Like hash browns, freeze some, can some.
So what'd you learn?
So I think
Here, hold a potato.
a couple things that I learned as I was pulling these up is, one, some places the soil was really compacted. So next year I think I would really loosen the soil a lot more than I did. I completely mounded with straw. I think that first mound I would have mounded with dirt. I'll mark that down for next year, and then do the second mound with just straw. There was also moles going throughout this section, so I don't know how many of them got eaten, voles, moles, whatever it was. So we could have lost some to that. The chickens on the flower bed. But it's still food. It's still food that we grew, that has no pesticides on it, that is completely grown organic. So I'm still happy with that. It's still cool to like pull a potato out of the ground and we get to eat this. So.
All right, let's get some thumbnails.
Okay. I'll use that one. Oh yeah, you're gonna hear it in the back of the,
So if you can hear something that sounds like a sheep, it's this little thing that keeps moles away. Let's wait for it. Not only does it beep like that, it also kind of vibrated in my hand. So that is supposed to keep the moles away. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in these. I think they did work after we put them in, but it was probably a little too late.
Thanks for hanging out with us tonight in our little family treasure hunt. I hope you learned something. I hope you were inspired. I learned a lot by just doing it. So just grow something. Learn as you go. Doesn't matter if it doesn't turn out the way you thought. It's still food. Have a good night.